Good morning, everyone. Today is the day. We just got the iPhone X silver and black. Just going to do, as promised, a quick unboxing video of both colors. So maybe for some people this will make it easy for them to decide which color to go for. I like how easy the packaging is, or how easy is it to unbox the phone. Before, used to, like, you'd have to cut it straight from this side to the bottom and then all over the top in order to keep the packaging all together. Whereas this one, you just do that and then you can actually put it back if you like. So, starting with the manuals, there we go. I'm actually doing it for the first time as we speak. I gotta say something. This looks amazing. Look at the black. Kind of have the same shininess of the space gray aluminum, or sorry, space gray stainless steel Apple Watch. So that color is something that Apple started producing when they introduced the Apple Watch. They have never used this color for an iPhone before. So let's actually remove the seal. Look it up. I don't know if it looks as beautiful as it is in real life, but this phone is awesome. Okay, I'm going to turn this one on. Until it turns on, let's look at the other one. I say the choice of colors, it will be really hard for anybody to decide which one to go for. They both look awesome, or they both look awesome. Kind of like the back of the black one more than the white. I don't know if you can see them. This one looks better on the side with the stainless steel color. Okay, so I'm not gonna set them up as for now. Okay, I will, however, do a quick comparison later, but this is because I'm not used to an edge-to-edge display phone. I have never used an edge-to-edge display phone before, and this is the very first iPhone with an edge-to-edge display. It just looks out of this world. So again, okay, so let's put them aside. Inside, as usual, the Apple packaging. You've got your adapter here if you want to use your normal headphones, and the chargers. So the packaging hasn't changed since the iPhone 7. That's when Apple introduced the lightning connector headphones. However, there is a significant change compared to iPhone 7. I'm actually using my iPhone 7 to record this video, so I can't really show you the differences. But this is, and the phone is actually not very big. It feels nice to hold it in the hand, so it's not, you know, very big like the Plus. I'm one of those people who don't like the Plus, but it's not as small as the iPhone 7 as well. So once we do the review, I'll get back to you again shortly with another video, and thank you very much for watching and have a great day.